We are live. Okay. This is an interesting video that we were supposed to watch.
Yeah, it was.
You guys get the invitation to
Yeah.
come to the drawing and Google the drawings.
Oh yeah. I think I got an email.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, I didn't get most of that video, honestly.
Yeah.
From what I understood, it was lots of stuff is happening naturally. The CO2 is not, and the CO2 is accelerating stuff.
Like what causes it, or
No, we're causing the CO2.
uh-huh.
Humans are producing a lot more CO2. CO2 is affecting the normal CO2, and then it's also affecting water in the atmosphere. But then lots of other stuff is happening normally, from what I understood. Is that what you guys understood?
Yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much. Mm.
So
We're supposed to make an illustration that talks about, or that where we talk about like just several of those things that were talked about in the video.
mhm.
They talked about 13 points, but talk about all of them, right?
Yeah, we're just supposed to choose some of them, it says.
Mm.
Which one do you guys think we should do?
Just, uh,
Mhm.
mm. I'm gonna have to open this up and get a reminder.
Yeah.
Because so is it telling us to talk about just a certain amount of the factors that were talked about in the video? For example, one of them was that global warming wasn't happening, so I had to call it climate change. That is like the first point that
Mhm.
one of the guys talked about. And the second one was trying. Another factor is that in the past, scientists warned of global cooling. Another one is the Arctic sea ice is increasing.
So we just choose a couple points and then illustrate how they relate.
Yeah. Hey, that looks pretty cool.
I'm just randomly drawing stuff. Which ones do we want to work with?
Yeah, that's good.
So another one I was reading says that humans only emit a tiny fraction of the CO2 released in the atmosphere every year. That's like just like another misconception, I believe. Um,
The sun
I
is
don't know how, like, what's that?
the sun is dimming. That's one of them that he said. What were we gonna say?
I don't know how we're supposed to. I was just saying, like, it says to, like, do an illustration of how the certain amount of factors relate to each other, but like draw something that I'm not sure how we can do that.
Yeah, me either.
Do you know what in the instructions it says in the end that to see the example of the illustration doing just with melancholic cycles? Do you guys know what that is?
I think that was like the Earth rotating.
Oh, okay.
And the wobble and like the change in the elliptical orbit of the sun or something or other.
In the video.
Yeah, in the video.
One of the last ones.
Yeah, I think I remember that one. Oh, like this one? You guys see it?
Yeah.
Obliquity, precession, eccentricity. Well, I think we can talk about there's so one of the factors says that, or one of the misconceptions is that humans only emit a tiny fraction of. Let me try. I'm trying to get it. Okay, that humans only emit a tiny fraction of the CO2 released into the atmosphere every year, and that's like a misconception because we do release a lot more. And then there's another one. I think it's. Let me try to get it. Which one was it?
Animal footprints in the toe.
Oh, I can't find it. Oh, the other one that talks about volcanoes, that they emit way more CO2 than humans. And then the other guy's like, no, they only emit like not even 1% of what humans emit. So that kind of relates to how humans emit a lot of CO2.
Mm.
So maybe we can draw a volcano and then we can draw a human and then like a graph showing how much a volcano emits, like one of those pie graphs, how much a
That's
volcano
good.
emits CO2 and then how much a human emits, sort of
Mhm.
thing.
Sounds good.
He didn't say like how many factors you have to relate, so maybe we can just relate those two.
Mhm.
No, that sounds good to me.
Who can draw a volcano? Because I don't know if I could. Oh wow, that's it's a good looking volcano right there, man.
Homemade and everything.
Oh man, see like
Hey, you're movie. Yeah.
I'm hurt me.
yay,
Lava, good touch.
it's pretty. Wait for it, wait for it. Oh yes,
Nice.
we're definitely getting an A for this. Oh, that's better. I like that. Oh no, what am I doing? It's so pretty.
Yep.
Look at that. I just decided to draw little droplets of lava, you know. It's kind of like a smile.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so it's actually less than 1%.
Oh, I totally forgot. Feel free to change that.
Like, no, I actually didn't know. Like, that's why I went back to the video. Let's see. There we go. That's pretty good. Sorry, I was just rewatching that video.
That's fine. Didn't he say something about CO2 affecting water?
One of them, he says that water. Here, says water is by far the most potent greenhouse gas, which it is. According, yeah, like the other guy said, it is.
Did he say that CO2 affects water?
Let me see. I'm trying. Said water. Said water is increasing in the atmosphere as well. So yeah, so it relates. Like as CO2 rises, more water vapor in the atmosphere, and which would increase the water as well. So
actuality, most of the predictions show remarkable agreement with observation. But you're probably thinking of the model from 1988, back when we thought climate sensitivity was higher. If you rerun that model with 3 degrees of warming for every doubling of CO2, the predictions match exactly the warming that we observed. But the Earth has warmed and cooled in the past. So who was really CO2 back then? Aliens? We understand that past changes in the climate were triggered at regular intervals by Milankovitch cycles. That is the periodic oscillation of the Earth's tilt, reflection of the tilt, and stretching and swishing of Earth's elliptical orbit. During every warming cycle, CO2 and temperature rise together. But if you look closely at that graph, you'll see that temperature rise, so it can't be causing the warming. The CO2 doesn't cause the first warming. The Milankovitch cycles keep away the sunlight to the Earth, and that causes a little bit of warming, decreasing the solubility of CO2 in the ocean. So some of that CO2 is released, and that is a positive.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Amplifies the warming. In fact, over 90% of the increase happens after the CO2 starts to rise. Let's say you're right, and the CO2 we're releasing is warming the planet. What's so bad about that? The planet gets a little warmer, big deal. I'm not claiming it's going to be some sort of crazy catastrophe, but we are going to get more intense storms, more droughts and floods. The oceans will become more acidic, sea levels will rise. It would be better for all species on this planet and probably cheaper for us if we just started reducing emissions now than if we wait and pay the consequences later. No thanks. Why are you wearing a sunglasses? This episode of Veritasium was supported by Audible.com, a leading provider of audiobooks with over
Oh yeah.
What happened?
Whoa.
Oh,
Somebody copied something. Was that me? No, that wasn't me.
there we go. Wait, you probably copied.
There it is. Whoops, that was my bad.
Oh no. Okay, there we go.
Do we want to add more water? More water? Like in the middle here or something?
More what?
Like because of more CO2, more water?
Sure, yeah. Yeah, we could probably do that as well. Mm.
greenhouse gas. Yes, it is. I win. No, you don't. Water in the atmosphere is increasing as well. But that can't be due to sensitivity. The only way for the atmosphere to hold more water vapor is warmer. So you're not saying. Comes back to CO2. A doubling of CO2 on its own would increase the temperature of the globe by about 1 degree Celsius. But that warming means there'll be more water vapor in the atmosphere.
So a doubling, it says a doubling of the CO2 will rise the temperature like by 1 degree, I think you said, which would create more water vapor in the atmosphere. So yeah, pretty much that. More CO2, more water, more hot. Pretty much, yeah.
Gotta love my grammar skills. Anything else?
I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, that's good.
Andrew, how'd you do on your? Did you take your final in lab this week?
In lab? Oh yeah, yeah, that. Yeah.
How was that?
Oh, that was weird.
That was I definitely destroyed that final.
It just.
I mean, destroyed it because I did good.
Yeah. So we
Yeah,
always
I
win,
doubt
right?
it. Hey, so we don't have to. We're not. That was the last day, right? We don't have to go to lab next week.
Correct.
Okay. I just was wondering that. Other than that, I think it looks good. Is that the
Source for the.
for the picture?
Yep.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Oh, what happened to the humans emit text?
Did it get covered by the picture, maybe?
I'm not sure. Nope.
Do we want to put it back in?
I'm gonna. Oh, okay. I was going to, but you beat me to it.
It's a race.
It's a race.
Orange.
Is there possible to
To what?
What?
I was trying to put like little dots of. Oh yeah, kind of works. Just like little dots of little droplets of water.
Mhm.
Just to make it look pretty. Like it would kind of look like water vapor, sort of, maybe.
I gotcha.
The thing is, I have to select it every time.
Mm-hmm.
Can't. Oh no, not that. Oh, did you take the text out?
No, where'd it go? I'm back, Tex. I'm trying to get the order right. There it is. I found a cloud.
I like that.
Like chocolate one I normally get. If you could get that one.
I think that's good enough.
Not to like undo everything you just did, but
What's that?
not to undo everything you just did, but
Oh,
what?
What?
Apparently
yeah, I'll
you keep on
delete
like copying stuff. I don't know. Hold on. I
it.
think I
Just
can
like
fix
went
it.
over the dots.
I can fix it. If I say I bring all these.
Fix it, Felix.
Oh, hold on. Oh, word. Stop it. Oh. Haha. Haha.
Oh wow, there you go.
Sweet.
That's pretty. That's
Birdie,
pretty good.
birdie.
Hmm.
Awesome. Well, I think we're done then. Is there something else? Any instructions?
Nope.
I think that's
How you guys feeling about the final in this class?
it.
When is it?
When is it?
It's Friday, right?
Thursday.
Oh yeah. It said Thursday midnight, so
I think it.
all of Thursday and all of Friday, right? That's what it means.
No, I think it's just Thursday. I think it's Wednesday night to Thursday night.
No, because he said he said um he would close the test Friday midnight.
Oh, really?
One of his videos?
No, it's in the I got an email. Let me see.
Oh, yeah. Actually, I think
Okay.
the 15th to the 16th is what it says on here.
Yeah, there's that one. Yeah. So the final exam opens on December 15th at midnight and closes on the 16th, 10:59.
Oh, okay. I thought that was.
Were you guys in the study session?
No, I didn't make it.
I was for a
What?
little bit. There's only one other girl.
You said you were
Alrighty
there,
then.
Emily?
Yeah, for like half of it.
How was it?
That's pretty good. Talked about subduction and volcanoes, stuff like that.
Did he say whether it's comprehensive or not?
Yeah, it is. He said there's a lot more matching and you have to know a lot of vocab for this test.
Is it all gonna be? It's gonna be multiple choice, right?
But I'm not sure if there's essay questions or not.
Like the other one? I didn't like those.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Is today your guys' last day of school before finals?
Yeah. I actually don't have classes today.
Yes.
Nice.
pretty
No,
nice.
I have classes. Wednesday is like the official last day of school. And then I think I have 2 finals and then a paper and then I have a paper due today and then
Sweet.
yeah, there's lots left to do. Oh,
Yeah.
shoot me now.
Good luck, man. Good luck.
Anyways, how are you guys feeling about the end of the semester?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, I think. We'll see how it goes. I definitely didn't feel pretty good about that lab final.
That lab final though.
Really?
Oh, do you know if they've graded it? Well, so the interesting part about doing the lab is that we have this class online and we have our teacher here. And then the lab on campus is a different teacher, completely different teaching style. She covers stuff in her lecture and expects you to know her lecture and then the stuff in the lab, and
Oh, really?
they just don't.
The thing is, like, I think in the online it's like a week behind,
That too.
like the lecture, and so I'm like lost half of the time. So things that we cover in lab, like for example, things that we would cover one day in lab, we cover it here online till like next week, I think.
Yeah, like the following week.
Yeah, which makes it really hard to understand what's going on.
Yeah. That's weird.
Yeah, it does. I wonder if they've got the grades in yet. Nope.
I don't think so. For the final?
I just checked right now. I don't have anything.
I kind of don't want to see it.
No.
But I'll have to eventually.
Eventually.
Alrighty. Well, that was fun, guys.
Sweet.
I guess this will be our last group meeting.
Oh.
Oh, bummer. Oh,
It's been
it's
great.
been real.
It's
It's been-
real.
Yeah. Oh shoot, what is that? It's been real. It's been fun.
Mhm.
It's been real
And
fun too.
awesome.
All right. See you guys later.
Yeah.
Have a good one. Good luck on everything. Have a
Yeah.
good life.
You too.
Bye.
Yeah.
Andrew.
See you guys. Bye.
Bye, Jose.
Bye.